In this video, I'll show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. If content is being hidden or filtered for you, this guide will help. First, you should know this setting is not available inside the Telegram mobile app. To change it, we must use Telegram Web. Close the Telegram app. Open any web browser like Safari or Chrome. In the address bar, type web.telegram.org and tap Go. Sign in using your phone number. You'll receive a login code inside Telegram. Enter it to continue. Once logged in, tap the three lines in the top left corner. Select Settings, then tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you see Sensitive Content. Turn on Disable Filtering. You may be asked to verify your age. Just follow the on-screen steps. After that, you can close the browser. Open the Telegram app again. Sensitive content will now be visible. And that's it! You've successfully enabled sensitive content on Telegram. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.